Excuse me. This is my system update, fire alarm update. Got the batteries here and everything. This is the call point Rafiki one. That's the Roshni, and that's my Synap call point. It's got a resettable element. If I push it, it doesn't break. Obviously, it's plastic. The same as the Rafiki is plastic. Yeah. And this one's my KC, old style KC. I'll put it up here. It's glass in there. And the one here. Got my new style KC call point. It's not plastic, it's glass. You can get some with plastic. That's all I wanted to show you. And my keys are on here. It's a whistle as well, yeah. Thanks for watching, bye.